start. It's getting cold, really cold. And yeah, hopefully got another 6 hours of this heavy breeze. We've had about 8 so far. I think, oh sorry, I think it's 40-45 knots out there. Massive waves. And just, it's hard, it's difficult for me at the moment because the course is really solid downwind VMG, and so I can't just put the pilot on and have a snooze, because surf down a wave or the wind changes direction, then Medallia could crash jibe. So I have got my autopilot permanently attached to me, and sort of wherever I am, whatever I'm doing, even if I'm cooking or looking in the bags in the back or something, I'm just really sort of sensitive to, is the boat heading the wrong way, what's that, is that a sail flapping, looking at the apparent wind angle and just kind of making tiny little alterations. We're going okay, but obviously the downside is that I don't sleep. I've done like 10-minute dozes, which has been okay. So I'm hoping 6 hours time sort of die down a bit, and do a jibe, then back up south a little bit again and put the boat on a more stable angle so I can have a snooze. I'm going okay though, we're doing alright. Just got to keep plugging away at it. It's not for long. Probably maybe another 12 hours of intense, and then might have a little bit of respite. I'm doing alright.